Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain how to save money fast as a teenager. Some of the things I'm going to discuss today could also be applied if you aren't a teenager. But as a teenager, you want everything, especially if your friends are buying something, then you want it also. It's easy to be caught up with the flow and shop without intention. So let's get to it. You might have several reasons why you want to save money fast as a teenager. You might be ready to purchase or lease your first car, or might want to save money and put it away for college, or save money to make a big purchase or buy like a laptop or an iPhone. Maybe you want to take a special trip you always dreamed of, or if you want to plan ahead, you want to put money aside and create an emergency fund. Whatever your reason might be, in this video, we're going to look at how we could save money fast as a teenager. One of the benefits of starting to save early in your teen years is that you have time working on your side. Saving money as a teenager teaches you a lesson on the value of money and creates a life habit that lasts forever. Starting early in life rather than later gives you the opportunity to build habits that are easier for you to follow. However, it's never too late to start no matter how old you are. And let's be honest here, since most of the economy is closed now because of the pandemic, it would be easier to save money because you don't have to spend a lot of money right now because a lot of places are closed. The good news is that your basic needs are going to be covered and it gives you opportunities to save. So here are some steps to take on how to save money fast as a teenager. Number 1, open a savings account. If you are under 18 years old, you might need a parent to help you to set this up for you. Make sure this account doesn't charge a monthly fee or require a minimum monthly balance. Also, make sure that you have direct deposit set up so that the money you make goes straight into your savings account without even you seeing it. Set up a weekly or monthly goal of how much you want to put into this account and start putting it in. This would help to avoid the temptation of spending the money as it comes. If you have a part-time job or getting an allowance, put aside anywhere from 25% to 50% into your savings account and use the rest wisely. You can even save more if you already have your basic needs provided for, which you would if you're a teenager. And number 2, if you aren't already earning an income, start finding ways to earn money. You can start by selling items on Etsy or eBay or Poshmark. You can also find a summer job that can help you to earn money and save. These opportunities are flexible enough to fit with your school schedule. When you start making money, it doesn't mean that you have to start spending it either. You need to be frugal with your money and start saving it. You can also do some chores around the house and ask your parents to contribute to your savings account. They might be more willing to help you reach your goal once they see that you are trying to be responsible with your money and show them your savings goal. And this leads me to my third point. Number 3, set a goal of how much you want to save. It's a lot harder to save when you don't have a clear and achievable goal in mind. To make savings easier, make a specific and measurable goal that you can achieve easily. For example, don't start off by putting a high goal that you would be discouraged to follow, and it would be hard to keep it up. Instead, set a reasonable goal that you can achieve so that you would be more motivated to continue. For example, instead of setting a goal of saving, let's say $5,000 initially, you might want to start by saving $500 or $1,000 initially. Then calculate how much you need to save every month to get to your goal and start depositing that money into your account. Even if you put aside $1 every day or $30 a month, you will end up with $360 in 1 year. And if you put $3 every day or $90 a month, you will end up with $1,080 in 1 year. The next time you are out with your friends and thinking about eating out or making a purchase, think about your goals and how you can reach your goal faster if you invest that money by paying yourself first. I'm not saying don't make any purchases, but first make sure you pay yourself. It requires discipline, but when you have your goal written down and all cut out for you, it makes it easier to follow. And this leads me to my fourth point. Number 4, create a budget. Before you ignore this part, let me briefly explain why it's important to create a budget. Creating a budget is useful whether you're 16 or 66. You need to write down how much money you are making and how much money you are spending each month. Many times we spend money on unnecessary things that we don't really need. When you create a budget, it will allow you to evaluate where you are spending your money on and create a list of things where you can cut your expenses. Without a budget, it is very hard to keep track of your expenses because we often forget what we purchased even 1 week ago. The good news is that there are many money apps that allow you to create a budget and keep track of your expenses, like Mint, Rise, YNAB, which is You Need a Budget, and Simple. It's never been easier to create a budget. You can also create an Excel spreadsheet if you prefer that. I have a video on how to create a budget. If you have time, go check it out. A budget can help you to keep track of your expenses and savings. Instead of spending that $10 on that movie popcorn or $8 on a dessert, think of how that money can get you that much closer to your goal. It can slowly add up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you agree or disagree. But I know this will help you to get to your savings goal if you put your mind to it. If you found this information helpful, please give it a like. This would help YouTube's algorithm to share it with others. And also, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you don't miss a new video that I put out. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let the community know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.